Ano na ba nangyari sa Nuvali? This is Arjun Zhang, real estate agent of Frankfurt Realty. Nung in-announce ng Ayala ang The Rising South, this solidified their long-term plan for the area of Laguna. Just imagine if meron ka ng property inside the Nuvali area, kung gaano kalaki ang potential na mangyari doon. And of course, to point some, ito yung mga developments na ginagawa today. We have the East Block, and we have the Museum of Architecture plus Residences, and we have the expansion of the Ayala Musno Valley, at marami pang iba. Nandun din yung pinakainaabangan na SM Nuvali na plan to open this year, which is 2026. If you're looking forward to secure a property inside the Nuvali, hindi pa too late. Because marami pang mga developments na planong gawin inside here. And one of it is the Metro Nuvali, a central business district planned to be positioned inside the estate itself. So if you're an aspiring real estate investor, if you want to secure a future home in this estate, marami mga options na pwede ibigay sa Ayala. There's what we call the central block. So this serves as an area para sa mga residents to give them convenience para hindi na nila kailangan pumunta sa main commercial area to buy yung mga essentials nila. If you want to know more about the properties here inside the valley and to get the opportunity to have a property before the price increase, you can message me through my social media pages. Remember, the best time to invest in real estate was yesterday, and the next best time is today. And again, this is Arjun Zhang, real estate agent of Frankfurt Realty, making real estate simple.